Hello, my name is Andrea. I'm part of the customer success team here at Zenwork. Today, inside of Tax 1099, we will do a quick video on how to manually fill out a 1095B form. So from your dashboard, you will go over to the blue section, click on Forms, choose the tax year you're working with. For this demonstration, we'll choose 2024 and then scroll down until you find the 1095B. On this form, you do need to scroll down to part 2 to choose the payer first. And next, you will fill out and choose the responsible individual who is also the recipient. Everyone's information is there, and now you will choose the letter for the coverage that you're offering. We're going to do B, employer-sponsored coverage. So everything is filled out. Part 3 does not need to be filled out. It is for um, the issuer or the person that's providing the other coverage. For this video, we will skip that today. And now you're at the name of covered individuals. You will have to add the person who is paying for the coverage, same name as the recipient up top. So once you put in their information, you can just click covered all 12 months. Now, if they have a spouse or dependents, you will click add a row, and that way you can put in their spouse and their dependents that they may have. So for this demonstration, we're just going to leave them on there, and now click on save and continue. And that is it. That's the end of how you will fill out a 1095B on Tax 1099 manually. Thank you.